It seems so simple. Clean, clear water in your hot tub. It should be easy, but so often it's not. That's about to change with Master Spa's groundbreaking Master Pure Water Management System. For the first time, this revolutionary system combines the broad-spectrum oxidation of ozone and UVC technologies with the oxidation reduction of the patented EcoPure mineral filtration system. This synergistic blend of 3 proven natural sanitizers provides the water quality and spa care not found in any other system, including salt systems. And the Master Pure Water Management System dramatically reduces harsh chemical consumption like chlorine, while removing many heavy metals and chloramines for water that looks crystal clear, smells fresh, and has a silky feel. Ozone, when dissolved in water, kills pathogens and microorganisms, destroys organics, and oxidizes non-organic contaminants. Germicidal UVC light, when exposed to water, inactivates microorganisms and breaks down chloramines. The patented EcoPure filtration uses a unique combination of copper and zinc that create an electrochemical reaction that eliminates many microorganisms. In addition, it removes heavy metals such as lead and mercury. Each modality is a proven tool in water management, but when combined, their synergy makes them dramatically more effective through a chemical reaction known as advanced oxidation process. AOP far surpasses other systems because it produces powerful hydroxyl radicals that maximize disinfection and reduces chloramines fast and effectively. The Master Pure system is not corrosive, as salt can be, and helps to eliminate eye and skin irritation. The Master Pure system provides radically clean spa water in an environmentally friendly way. Step up your water quality and simplify your hot tub maintenance with the exclusive Master Spa's Master Pure Water Management System.
General Ecology offers you a large variety of sophisticated purifiers, smartly designed and developed to be adapted to your home, your trips, your business or your transports. Fully manufactured in the United States by General Ecology Incorporated, these top-class purifiers are the incontestable leaders in the field. Thanks to its proprietary structured matrix purification technology, General Ecology took up the challenge to bring you a precise and efficient solution to improve the quality of your drinking water. This purification technology is independently certified and recognized by many prestigious international laboratories. But how does structured matrix technology purify your water and help to protect you without chemical addition or electricity? First of all, the ultrafine microstraining physically removes contaminants such as diseased bacteria, cysts like Giardia, and other specific parasites and debris down to 0.1 microns, 0.4 absolute. Removing the pathogens also removes the disease toxins they contain and is far more superior to poisoning organisms with pesticides and allowing the pathogen residue, toxins and pesticides to remain in the water to be consumed. Then, the broad-spectrum molecular capture of structured matrix technology absorbs and traps specific organic and other chemicals such as pesticides, herbicides and solvents, as well as chlorine and other trace contaminants that can be toxic and/or carcinogenic, along with foul taste, odour and colour. Lastly, the electrostatic removal uses specially charged space-age surfaces, essentially as magnets, to remove minute particles, molecules and colloids suspended in the water. All of these purification mechanisms work together to remove naturally the contaminants far smaller than sub-micron microfiltration alone can remove. Each cartridge provides instantly great performance to provide optimal comfort. Very practical and reliable, this technology is suitable in many applications and is easy to install and use. General Ecology offers you the means to purify easily and efficiently your water. So trust the excellence of General Ecology purifiers and give new life to your water. Please review our website and test data for further explanation of the many benefits of General Ecology water purifiers.
That water coming out of your tap isn't just water. It could contain a cocktail of unhealthy ingredients, including heavy metals such as lead, copper, limescale, impurities, and anything else that the water can pick up from the pipes. If you could see the inside of these pipes, you'd be surprised. This is how Brita filtration can help. Maxtra Plus and Maxtra Plus limescale filters are made from activated carbon pearls and ion exchange pearls, which combine to efficiently trap and absorb heavy metals such as lead and copper, limescale, and other impurities. They also reduce substances that impair taste, like chlorine compounds. Both the Maxtra Plus and Maxtra Plus limescale filters are extremely effective, but there is a difference between them. The Maxtra Plus limescale filter is the premium filter of the two, with 50% better limescale reduction power, while still providing effective reduction of heavy metals such as lead and copper, chlorine, and other impurities. What's left is water that tastes great and is better for all of you. Transform your water. Protect your family. Brita water tastes better.
The Katadyn GravityCam 6-liter and BaseCam Pro 10-liter filters use Katadyn's new UltraFlow filter technology, providing your filter 4 times faster flow and longer life. These are the fastest flow gravity filters on the market at 2 liters per minute. They effortlessly provide up to 10 liters, 2.5 gallons of water in 5 minutes. Perfect for groups and families. To protect your health, the GravityCam and BaseCam Pro use Katadyn's new 0.2 micron UltraFlow filter technology to remove protozoa and bacteria even in the most challenging conditions. The GravityCam and BaseCam Pro are designed to last longer than other filters without the hassle of constant backflushing or cleaning. The filter protector inhibits dirt from clogging the filter, while the unique sediment trap allows sediment to collect and settle at the bottom of the bag and not reach the filter to extend the life of the filter. The GravityCam and BaseCam Pro filters are designed with quick-release valves for hands-free filling of your hydration bladders. Both filters have built-in quick-release caps with auto shutoff for easy hose attachment and filling. The extra-large 6-liter and 10-liter size bags hold much more water than other gravity filters, which means less trips back and forth to the water source, and more water available at camp for drinking, cooking, cleaning, etc. Both the GravityCam and BaseCam Pro filters have windows with water level indicators for precise measuring and filling your various size water containers and hydration bladders. The larger 10-liter BaseCam Pro includes a convenient carry strap for easy transport and hanging. The GravityCam 6L and BaseCam Pro 10L are the only water filters that easily convert to camp showers with Katadyn's shower adapter accessory, sold separately. Simply turn the window in the bag toward the sun, to heat the water for a refreshing warm shower on the trail or at camp. The ultra-fast flowing Katadyn Gravity Camp and Base Camp Pro come with Katadyn's performance guarantee. Your filter will not clog or require constant cleaning or back flushing within the first year, or Katadyn will give you a free replacement element. Now that's a promise you can trust. To find out more about our extensive line of products, including Optimus stoves and Katadyn water filters, please visit www.optimus.com and www.katadyn.com.
The SteriPen Ultra is a versatile and simple solution to questionable water while hiking or traveling. Ultra is USB rechargeable, delivering 50 treatments per charge for up to 8,000 total liters, and its convenient tapered neck mates with commercial water bottles for safer travel. Like all SteriPen products, it's easy to use. Just press the button, submerge, and stir until the lamp turns off. The high-contrast OLED user interface guides you through the process, displaying battery status, treatment success, and UV lamp life. Coming soon, keep an eye out for the Ultra Filter System Bundle, which includes our fits-all filter for on-the-go water purification. The SteriPen Ultra has a simple display that shows you everything you need to know. It is USB rechargeable from a computer, wall outlet, or solar panel, and treats up to 8,000 liters of water. Coming soon, the Ultra Filter System Bundle. That includes a SteriPen fits-all filter for on-the-go purification.
The Imperia series is available in RO plus UV plus UF or RO plus UV or RO with mineralizer technology models, along with 2 color variants, white and silver and black and silver. The entire Imperial range has a 9.2-liter large storage tank and comes with an aqua taste booster, which uses calcite media to maintain the optimum pH level of water, enhancing the taste. It has a 7-stage purification process: pre-filter, pre-carbon filter, sediment filter, RO membrane, UF membrane, post-carbon filter and UV lamp. Imperia has a triple-layered RO plus UV plus UF protection such that the entire water passes through the RO membrane first, UF membrane, then UV lamp to remove all sorts of contaminants, including dangerous dissolved substances and disease-causing microbes. Imperia is equipped with an aqua mineral infuser that adds ionized minerals which are essential for health. It has a purification capacity of 285 liters a day due to a super efficient, high-quality RO membrane, which is also capable of ultra-high TDS removal of up to 92%. It also has copper-impregnated activated carbon, which not only removes smell and odor from water, but also has antibacterial properties. Imperia has a superfine sediment filter, a tank-full indicator, and a child lock button on the manual tap to protect your purifier from unnecessary wastage of water. It also has important features such as filter change alert and UV fail alert for you to be rest assured at all times. Imperia will give you the exceptional taste of mineral water in the comfort of your own home. Blue Star Water Purifiers. Choose purity.